Viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet with cover designs model knitted with wool. Let's start. A crochet bed cover design involves creating a decorative and functional cover for a bed using crochet techniques. Crochet bed covers are made by interlocking loops of yarn using a crochet hook, resulting in intricate patterns, textures, and shapes. These designs can range from simple, solid color patterns to more complex, multicolored motifs. Here are some useful tips for crocheting a bed cover. First, choose the right yarn oil. Use a medium or bulky yarn for a cozy, warm bed cover. Lighter yarns or twill for a more delicate, decorative cover. Fiber type cotton is durable and breathable, great for year-round use. Wool provides warmth while acrylic is budget-friendly and easy to care for. Select the appropriate size. A larger hook creates looser stitches and a softer bed cover, while a smaller hook results in tighter stitches and a more structured cover. Match the hook size to your yarn weight. Use the recommended hook size indicated on the yarn label. Plan the bed cover size. Measure your bed to ensure the cover will fit properly. A standard size includes twin, full, queen, and king, but you can also customize the dimensions. Consider adding extra length for chopping over the sides or foot of the bed. Next, start with a simple pattern. Granny skirts, easy to make and can be joined together to form a bed cover of any size. Triple or chevron offers a simple, repetitive stitch pattern, ideal for beginners. Use stitch markers for larger projects. Mark the starting point of your rows to help keep track of where you are, especially in large or complex patterns. Join motifs carefully. If using motifs like granny skirts, join them with a big stitch, slip stitch, or single crochet for a seamless look. Lock the motifs before joining to make them lie flat and ensure uniformity. Add a border for a polished look. Finish with a border to add structure. You can use a simple single crochet edge or a decorative scalloped or shell border. Consider the width and drop. For larger bed covers, a heavier yarn may result in a cumbersome cover. Lighter yarn provides a better drop and are easier to handle. Take breaks. Working on a bed cover can be time-consuming. Take breaks to avoid hand strain and stay motivated. Practice blocking. Blocking involves putting the finished page and shipping it to the Crocheting a bed cover is a rewarding project, and with these tips, you can create a beautiful, functional bed of your home. Common crochet bed cover styles include granny scarf, made by creating multiple scarf motifs that are lighter, stitched together, often featuring different colors and patterns. Black Antioni patterns, delicate openwork designs that resemble black, creating a vintage or elegant look. Saffron or ripple patterns, feature zigzag or wave-like patterns that add movement and visual interest to the bed cover. Crochet uses a grid-like structure to create images or geometric shapes within the fabric. Mandala patterns, circular designs that often incorporate various colors and textures for both artistic statement. The choice of yarn, color, and pattern can be customized to match different home decor styles, from traditional and vintage to modern and minimalistic. Here are some additional tips for creating a crochet bed cover. Mix different distances for texture. Combine various stitch patterns, bubbles, shells, clusters, and texture and interest to your bed cover. It also helps break up the monotony of large projects. Color palette. Choose colors that complement your home's decor. Neutral tones offer a classic look, while brighter colors can add a fun, modern touch. Color changing. If using multiple colors, learn where you will change colors to create patterns like stripes or ombre effects. Consider using self-striping yarns for easy color transitions. Work in sections for large bed covers. Crochet in smaller sections, panels, or squares, and join them together later. This approach makes the project more manageable and portable. Use a cut swatch. Make a small swatch to check your cost stitches or rows per inch. This ensures your bed cover will turn out the right size and helps avoid running out of yarn. Experiment with different turning techniques. Invisible shape. Use a mattress stitch for a shapeless look. Decorative charm. Consider using a visible charming technique like a pendant or constructing color charm to add an extra design element. Incorporate rings or tassels. Adding rings or tassels to the edge can give the bed cover an ornament or playful touch. Make sure to securely attach them to avoid unrelieving. Incorporate beads or embellishments for an extra touch of elegance. Consider adding beads, sequins, or other embellishments while crocheting. Ensure they are securely attached to avoid falling off. Following the steps can help you create a crochet bed cover that is not only beautiful but also travel and well-made. so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!